Radar is an established technology, but we're still finding new uses for it, and Turck is the distributor of a wide range of versatile, rugged and reliable radar sensors from Banner Engineering. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Banner FMCW radar sensors can detect both stationary and moving targets. They're reliable in extreme environments and in all-weather outdoor applications where traditional ultrasonic and photoelectric sensors do struggle a bit. Turck's portfolio includes the new T30R, which features analog output, I/O link and a simple PC graphical user interface. It's perfect for applications up to 15 metres. The popular QT50R is ideal for detecting large solid targets such as vehicles and containers, especially in outdoor applications up to 24 metres. Further models with wide, medium or narrow beams will detect large metal objects over distances of up to 100 metres. They're great for applications such as traffic control and collision avoidance on gantry frames and mining equipment. More information? turck.com.au is where you go, or call them on 1300 132 566. And thank you for watching.